COLLECTanDRAIN 5400A, NFPA 13 requires auxiliary drains, also called low-point drains or drum drips, for each section of trapped pipe in a dry or pre-action fire protection system. Auxiliary drains collect moisture from the system and allow draining while minimizing excessive loss of air pressure. COLLECTanDRAIN 5400A is the solution for problematic auxiliary drains that continually freeze and break or require constant maintenance. When the temperature drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the condensation freezes and fractures the drain. If the damage isn't attended to before the ice melts, air will be released from the system and falsely trip the dry valve, resulting in costly repairs, potential property damage, and inconvenience to building occupants. The COLLECTanDRAIN 5400A provides a temperature-controlled environment to prevent system failure due to auxiliary drain freeze. The easily mounted insulated and lockable steel cabinet includes NFPA-required signage, a temperature-sensitive heater that operates only when needed, a test button, and an auxiliary drain with float switch to monitor condensation levels. Designed for efficiency and flexibility, the AGF 5400A can be wired to a fire control panel or building management system. It does not require a dedicated monitored circuit, uses standard 110-120 volt power, and the same circuit can power multiple units. Optional accessories include a system trouble remote dialer and an all-weather cover. AGF, reliability, versatility, code compatibility.